Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time. So today we are going to work on checking the difference between factory spark and aftermarket spark. So if you guys have ever seen an MSD ignition box or a Mallory ignition box, there's a ton of people that make them out there, right? I've always wondered how much better are they, right? Like how much better is the spark? You see all the claims. I want to see it, right? So this came about because I was testing some stuff on my cleaver, trying to get it running. I've got some other videos coming out about testing the TFI and blah, blah, blah. A lot of garbage. But I wanted to see the difference between what an ignition box can give out for spark versus factory. So I got a few things that we're going to test today. We're going to do a factory coil with no ignition box. We're going to do an aftermarket coil with no ignition box. Then we're going to do a factory coil with an ignition box. And then we're going to do an aftermarket coil with an aftermarket ignition box. So we're going to have 4 different tests. I think it'll be pretty neat to see the difference in spark, and then afterwards we'll know more about it. So I've always wanted to see what the difference in spark is between a factory plug and not a factory plug, but how much spark there is on the plug with a factory setup versus an aftermarket one. This is my race car, so just curiosity. So you'll see here that I have a spark plug set up, and I will have this grounded right here. And what we're going to do is watch the intensity of the spark on the spark plug. So let's get into it. I'm excited about this, guys. So to test the spark, we are bypassing our ignition box initially because we're testing just the factory coil, factory ignition system. So what we're doing is we're coming right out of the distributor. So it goes through a TFI module. It's going to go out through the rotor, and then it's going to go out here into our coil, and then it's going to discharge the spark here. So all I'm going to do is spin the rotor. I have it grounded. All right, not the rotor. I'm going to spin the shaft of the distributor, which also spins the rotor, and then it's going to give us a signal here, and we're going to be able to see what the spark is like. I think you're going to be absolutely astonished by this. So here we go. I'm going to spin the distributor, and you'll be able to see the spark. There we go. You see our spark right there? So that is factory spark. There we go. All right, so our next step is to go just the upgraded coil. So we're going to use the same factory ignition, no ignition box, and an upgraded coil to see how much better the spark is. So we're going to swap our wires over to our, this is an MSD coil. There we go. We're going to leave our spark plug in the same spot. Let's do this. So here's an upgraded coil, factory ignition. I'm not sure that I can even see much of a difference. There we go. So there's factory ignition with a upgraded coil. So the next step here is to remove the jumper wires here. So that's what was coming from the factory ignition. So we removed the jumper wires. So this was our factory ignition, and we went right over to our coil like you would on factory. Now we're going to put our MSD box in line. So we're going to plug this in. Okay, so now we're powering up our MSD box, and then we're going to go to a factory coil. So this is an MSD box with a factory coil. There we go. We'll move our spark plug wire over here. Alright, so now we've got our factory coil hooked up, but we are now going through the MSD box, so we will see what kind of a spark we get from this. Here we go. Factory coil with an MSD ignition box. Substantially more spark. Alright, so now the only thing that we're going to be doing is swapping over from the factory coil to an MSD coil. So we're going to take our connector off here. Alright, so now we're on the MSD coil with our power and our ground. And then here is our spark plug wire. There we go. See, we got our spark plug right here ready to go, going to our MSD coil, and that is going from our factory ignition source out to the MSD box, out to the coil. Alright guys, so here's our final part of the test. We have a MSD ignition box going to an MSD coil. Let's see what we get here. Man, that is awesome. I don't know about you guys, but that was incredible to see the difference. So I've done this test with just my MSD box before, just to see what kind of a spark I get from it, but I've never done it on a factory plug. That is so weird. Like I can't believe that's incredible. That is just incredible to me. I'm sure, so this is an 86 Mustang. I'm sure some of the newer ignition systems have a lot stronger spark than that does, but that's ridiculous. That is absolutely insane. Wow. So, just my opinion, but definitely the MSD coil with the MSD box was a heck of a lot better than a factory coil. The factory coil with an MSD box was a hell of a lot better than factory in general. So, in an ignition box, man, I tell you what, that's the way to go. Holy cow. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video there, but thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. This was super fun to do. Hopefully you guys appreciated the amount of work that went into doing this. If you guys have comments, leave them below. I'm always making new videos. If you guys want to check out some of the merch that I have, I've got hats, stickers. I've got some cool stuff on the website. I'll put it on the screen here, but also put a link in the description. Thank you guys for being here. I had a great time. We'll see you guys in the next video.